Welcome to yet another interesting and informative video by Crane's Varsity. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we're going to dive into the fascinating world of C programming. In this video, we will answer questions like, what is C programming? Why should you learn it? Where is it used, and why is it in such high demand? And applications of C programming. What is C programming? C programming is a powerful, general-purpose programming language that was developed in the early 1970s. It's known for its simplicity and efficiency in terms of both code execution and memory usage. C provides a robust foundation for building software, making it an excellent starting point for aspiring programmers. Why learn C programming? Now, let's talk about why you should learn C programming. Foundation of programming. Learning C provides a solid foundation for understanding the principles of programming. It covers essential concepts like variables, data types, loops, and conditionals, which are the building blocks of coding. Efficiency. C is renowned for its efficiency in terms of both memory and execution speed. This makes it ideal for developing system software, embedded systems, and applications where performance is critical. Portability. C is highly portable. Code written in C can be easily adapted to run on different platforms, making it a versatile language for cross-platform development. Learning curve. While C can be challenging, mastering it can make learning other languages much easier. It's a language that teaches you to think critically and logically. Where is C programming used? C programming is incredibly versatile, and it's used in a wide range of applications and industries, including operating systems. C is the foundation for operating systems like Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. Embedded systems. It's crucial in developing firmware for embedded systems, such as microcontrollers and IoT devices. Game development. Many video games and game engines are built using C and C++ for their performance. Compilers and interpreters. C is often used to build compilers and interpreters for other programming languages. Database systems. SQL database management systems are frequently developed in C. Network software. Networking protocols and router firmware are typically coded in C. Financial software. High-frequency trading systems, financial modeling, and risk analysis rely on C for speed and precision. Why is C programming in high demand? So, performance. C is unmatched in terms of performance. In applications where every microsecond matters, C is the go-to choice. Legacy systems. Many critical legacy systems are written in C. Maintaining and upgrading them requires C expertise. Portability. C's portability is a significant advantage in a world where applications run on diverse platforms. IoT and embedded systems. The surge in IoT devices and embedded systems has increased the demand for C programmers. Strong foundation. Learning C sets a strong foundation for understanding other languages, making C programmers adaptable. In conclusion, C programming is the bedrock of modern software development. Learning C not only equips you with the skills to build efficient, high-performance software but also opens doors to a vast array of career opportunities in industries where C is indispensable. Applications of C programming. Operating systems development. Embedded systems. System software. Compilers and interpreters. Game development. Database systems. Language development. Graphics and multimedia. Scientific and numerical computing. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Security software. Automotive systems. Medical devices. Aerospace and defense. Industrial automation. These are just a few examples of the many applications of C programming. Its versatility, performance, and low-level capabilities continue to make it a valuable language in a wide range of industries and domains. Turn it up and get certified. Click here.